Gen Z talaga yung feel within this lobby. Welcome to the main lobby of the Bryant Park Lane here in the capital town, San Fernando, Pampanga. So this property was already nearly turned over this year. So actually, if you wanted to get a unit from this property, we actually offer a 10% maximum discount for our properties such as studio up to 1-bedroom unit. So this area will be the main lobby. So here, this will be the front desk. So if you have any questions regarding the property or mayroon kang kakilala dito, so you can ask the person who will be assigned in this area. So aside from that, if you're wanting to wait for your friends or your family, so there will be a waiting area for you here. And also in this area naman, mas maganda siya dito. If you wanted to do swing with your kids, pwede. The best thing about this lobby is that meron na din siyang may room in this area, since one of the target market of this condominium is yung mga teenagers, Gen Z. So the color of this males is actually very, kumbaga maganda siya. Parang Roy GB, parang ganun, rainbow. Ayan. Next thing is what you can see in this whole lobby is that yung mga ginamit na design like this bicycles and stuff, kasi yung mga more of the Gen Zs are into physical fitness. So basically, ito yung mga design natin. And here naman, makikita natin dito that there will be a daycare center. So, before that, here is the main entrance for the daycare, for you to see it closely. So, this will be the area for the kids, so they can play here, or meron personnel who will be able to guide your kids if ever na may gagawin kayong iba. So, ito yung basically the look of the whole daycare center. So now for the other amenities, we can go upstairs to see more of the amenities for this condominium. So in this lobby, there's actually the second floor. So the amenities is separate from the main lobby. So here, the unique features of this lobby is this co-working space. So basically, some of the condominiums, they don't offer this one. Usually, meron na silang mga function room. But this one, there's actually a space for you to work, especially if you wanted to do, you have like work from home setup. So here, may mga sockets na dito so you can plug your like devices. Dito naman, if you wanted to unwind, after mo maggawa ng mga activities sa work, so dito you can actually like talk with different people who will also be working in this area. So very, kumbaga, very Gen Z talaga yung feel within this lobby. So aside from that, since tapos ka na mag-work, so gusto mo na mag-unwind, here is the best place for you. So this one is the gaming room. So dito, as you can see, mayroon tayo dito mga, like here, board games. If you wanted to, you know, in terms of your knowledge, mas ma-exercise siya, we have here the chessboards and different activities na pwede mong gamitin. Dito naman, so here, play nice or go home. So syempre, if you wanted after working, mas gusto mong ma-unwind, so you have here a place for you to play. Like, for example, mobile games. And here naman, if you wanted to do meetings and setups like that, pwede dito. Yeah, perfect. Next one, for this game room, this will be for the like table tennis and kumbaga, here naman, more of like interactive games dito, but more of an indoor games. So if you're into like activities like games such as this, pwede pa din siyang gamitin since free to use naman siya. So these are all the equipments that you'll be using habang naglalaro with your friends or even after working. So this is the best place for you to unwind. Hi investors, today I'm going to show you with one of our condo offering here in capital town San Fernando, Pampanga, which is the Bryant Park Lane. So this is a 38 square meter 1-bedroom unit. So here, as we go along in this very nice area, so this is actually the living and dining area. But before that, let's go on this area to see the kitchen area. So here, as you can see, as part of the deliverables of this condominium or the unit itself is the overhead cabinets, under counter cabinets, and then the countertop, which is actually also made out of granite. There will also be a sink and the faucets. So here, as you can see, may rep dito, but this is just a provision for your property, so just part of the display. So even this is just an upgrade, so it's up to you. You can also include a cabinet for this area for an extra storage. So this will be the living and dining area for the 1-bedroom unit. So here, as you can see, there will be a 4-seater tables. And then on this side naman is for your couch for the living. So there, well, it's up to you, but then if you'll put TV here on this side or ipagbaligtad mo sila. On this area naman, there will be a balcony in this area, which is a size around 3.5 square meters. So it's up to you kung paano mo siya i-design. So you can put table on this side para mag-drink ka ng coffee or wine with your family. So let's go on the inside to see the exact room. So here will be, before we proceed muna dito, siguro we should check first the toilet and bath. So dito, as you can see, this is the toilet and bath. So as what you can see in this video, or the sanitary fixtures are included upon turnover of your unit. So now let's go here in the main bedroom. So dito naman, all of what you can see is already an upgrade. So basically, plain lang siya. All the furnitures are not included. Pero dito may provision lang tayo for the air conditioner. So there will be a window. So the good thing about that one is that mas maganda yung lighting dito, mas mapapalaki niya yung pinakang room. And also part of the deliverables is this modular cabinet. But I think this one is an upgrade. So basically, hindi ito yung pinakang exact deliverable, pero expect that there will be a modular cabinet upon turnover of your unit. So for our condominium offering here in Capital Town from Pampanga, we actually offer no spot down payment and 0% interest with flexible payment terms. If you want to know more about the project details of the different condominiums, hotel, or commercial that we're offering here in our township, please don't hesitate to send me a message. All my details are being flashed on your screen. Once again, I'm Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from Mega World Corporation, and I'll be helping you finding your perfect investment and your dream home.